Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Chapter Chatter. So if you're new to my channel, I create videos related to bookish things, movies, web series and all. So if you're pretty interested to it, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family so that we can always move on as a family, right? So as you would have seen the thumbnail, in today's video we'll be talking about why the reading population is way lesser than people who love movies and all other stuff. So in my previous video I've done a comparison with books and movies, but in today's video we'll be talking, it's like a kind of a series, but in today's video we'll be talking about why the people who love reading is way lesser than the population, or why don't we have a huge number of people. So go to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you have reading communities and just check. There are a lot, millions of readers. Millions and millions. Then you'll be like, okay, the reading community is so big. But then go to your friends group or your neighborhood group. I don't know. Just go with a group of people and check. Just check how many people reads. It's gonna be way less, I bet you, because in my friends group, personally speaking, so I have a few friends and I read a lot, and from my friends group, the students who really read is 2 to 3. So sad because I don't have anyone to talk about read. My mother reads, that's a luck. Nobody else reads actually. Just a few people. And why is this so? So I've thought about it for a long time, and here is the answer. This is the answer. I'll be talking about a few things, so if you're interested, keep watching. So the first thing, books can be time consuming. So if you are a die-hard reader and you love reading, you know that it is not time consuming. It's the most entertaining thing in the world. But just see, a movie can be 2 hours long, but reading a book can be 2 hours to 3 days long. According to the length and everything, that how much the book is, how many pages the book is, the time you take can vary. Everybody knows that. I feel pretty dumb talking about it. Anyway, people who start reading, beginners initially, they think that it can be so time consuming, why not watch a movie? That's a typical thought and I don't complain it. So that's why many readers or people don't come into this reading community, because it can be time consuming and they'll be thinking that I can do a ton of things right now, why am I reading? So that might be a kind of the reason. First one. The second one, people choose movies over books because they think something on a screen can be so entertaining. Of course, I love watching web series, movies, YouTube videos, everything that comes from screen, because we live on technology and we all love things that are displayed on a screen. But when we compare it with a book and a movie, so suppose a Twilight book, when it is converted into a movie, there are a lot of changes. There are a lot of things which haven't been taken from the book. But just compare it with the book, there are a lot of things which are not there. As I've told, it's lacking a lot of stuff that I really liked, but I still love the movies. Why? Because it doesn't take a lot of the time. It's just 2 hours long and I can just sit, watch it and go. And we don't find the time moving. So if you're a very good reader, means you know that after completing the book, you will be like looking the clock and like, oh my god, it's been 3 hours. But watching a movie, the time can go like super fast, because I don't know the scientific area behind it. Maybe our brain is not really working to read through it. Of course, nobody loves reading or academic textbooks. I don't. So it's not the case with novels or books like that, because it can create a different scenario in our head. So the third thing, that this is not an advice or anything like that. I'm not doing anything to make you into reading. But many people misunderstand that in books, it's just characters made with ink. See, in my Instagram, I really post stories regarding this, because when we read through, we are not seeing the letters. I don't even know that I am going through it. There is another scene, another movie, another world going through in our head. We can see everything that happens. So when in The Sun is Also a Star book, when she's walking past the train, I can see the train, her hair, the ground, everything. That's why I love watching movies which have been adapted from the books, because we can really see the difference. So, that's why I really like it too. So the fourth point, which sometimes is not that true, is that Books can sometimes make us emotionally break down or impact us so much. So, if we see a movie and if we like that movie so much, for the next 2 weeks, our personality is going to be so attached to that movie. The same happens with books. So, for a long time, when a book is with us, our thoughts, the things we do, our personality, character even can be slightly, changed in the first 2 weeks or something, because after that we are going to be the good old us, but still there is gonna be a very big change. I think most of the people don't choose reading because of that. So I asked a lot of my people, like friends, about why you don't read, because over the years I've been asking people about this and I really feel pretty dumb asking about this too. But what they say is it's boring, it consumes a lot of time, why not play a game? Yeah, I can understand playing game can be fun. I love video games too, but as a reader, what I want to say is it's a different world. So technology and reading. So now reading and technology is slightly joined, and e-reading is so very popular. Feel I've done a book video regarding physical books and ebooks, a comparison or versus books. So versus video. So if you want to watch that, I'll leave the link below, you can watch that. Okay, so ebooks are also being so popular nowadays. So I love physical books more than ebooks, but I still read ebooks in my Kindle. So that's it. I wanted you guys to know that reading can be fun, but if you see a person who is not a reader, don't compel them to read because it's their personal interest. I see a lot of readers compelling people to read. I don't. I tell them, okay, why not just read that book? Yeah, then they will, but still there are people who don't. So if you're pretty interested to it, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Finally, what I want to say is I didn't came here to hurt any non-readers or people who hate reading. I just wanted to tell you that why the reading population is so less. It is because it can be time consuming and sometimes boring for people who are beginners. Just give it a kickstart. I've told this in many of my videos. Always start your reading journey with a very reputed and well-known book. Don't start your reading journey with a book that you don't think is gonna be interesting. So you would have been seeing movies all over your life and you know which genre you're interested in: fantasy, contemporary, what, sci-fi, what genre you're interested in. Choose a book regarding that, make it short, and always try to choose books which have shorter chapters. I personally love books with shorter chapters because I can't stand long chapters. So that's it. Bye.